Tell them walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be talking about this beautiful luscious hair. So this hair was sent to me by Dola Hair. I was lucky enough for them to send it to me and I'm so grateful. So this is a 20-inch fake scalp water wave hair. That's a mouthful. So it's 20 inches. It is 120 density. It is a 13x4 lace wig with a silk based fake scalp aspect. So that means you don't really need to put a wig cap underneath. And my dumbass I forgot. So I did do the bald cap method, but that was completely eradicated by the fake scalp. So I really didn't need to do that at all. But yeah, this is the wig, this is the scalp, this is basically how it came. I did tint it a little bit, I attempted to tint it. I don't know if it really did tint. I think it did. So it came pre-plucked. I did pluck it a little bit because just to get it to fit my hairline, because the hairline that it came with was just not suitable for my hairline in particular. But you know, I'm pretty sure it would suit a lot of other people. I did not have to bleach the knots because the knots came already bleached, and this is what that looks like. Let me show you what it looks like parted. So you can really much part this hair anywhere down the front. And if I did not, basically I removed so much hair from the front because I just felt like it didn't suit my hairline at all. But if I didn't, then it would have such a deep part. But oh well, you win some, you lose some, because even though I did remove some of the hair, it still has a really nice part. I've received some 13x4 that I like. Are you really 13x4? Are you really? Those are the specs on the hair. If you want to see how I installed this hair, how I customized it, please keep on watching and I hope you enjoy this video. So this is what the wig box looks like. It's so pretty. I really like it. It has like instructions on how to maintain the hair on the back. It says hello gorgeous on the inside, which is really cute. And it comes with the wig inside this cute little bag, which I'm going to be storing the wig in. It comes with this portable brush. Perfect. I'm going to leave this at my boyfriend's house. It has like a little thank you note. 2 wig caps as standard, and then this really nice and innovative edge brush. I'm used to getting the standard wig brush, edge brush, but this one's really nice. It has like a proper rat tail at the bottom. The bristles are kind of thick, and which I can tell is going to be useful. And then you've got this for like styling the bristles, which is perfect. So this is what the wig looks like. It's so pretty. It's 20 inches. It looks really long for 20 inches actually. So yeah, so it comes with wig bands, and the wig bands actually feel really secure. I like. So what is different about this wig in particular is that it has like a silk lace closure. Basically it has a fake scalp. It's pre-plucked, so I'm not gonna pluck it. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just gonna, usually I would still pluck it, but I'm just gonna let it be, see how it looks. I'm gonna attempt to tint the lace and the silk part just so that it matches my skin a little bit better, because this is very, very light skin and I'm not that. So I'm just gonna use a mixture I made and see if this works. I've actually never used this before. It looks like it's doing a little thumb. I like that. That's way closer to my skin tone, so you can see this is untinted and then this is tinted. I love. Then I'm just gonna try and blow dry it to get it. But yeah, that looks really good. I'm happy with that. I'm really happy. It's giving. It looks good. It looks good. So I'll say off the bat, the benefit is that you don't have to do the bald cap method. The hairline is really interesting, because what the hell is this hairline? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell? Oh god. Okay. Like the hairline is so low right in the front, which is like the opposite of my hairline, so it's like I'm gonna need to, as much as I didn't want to pluck it, I think I'm gonna need to pluck it in order to look a little bit normal, because not for me. I think if you naturally have like a little bit of a bigger forehead, this could work, but for me this is a little bit crazy, so I'm just gonna pluck it off camera and be right back. So I just did a little bit of a light pluck just to make it a bit more seamless. Right here, like there's like less than a centimeter of lace before it goes into tracks, so I just did the best that I could in terms of plucking, and we're just gonna go into laying this wig. So now I'm just applying a very, very light layer of bold hold. So that is one layer. I'm gonna add one more layer. I'm just gonna allow that to dry. Well, not dry, but just get a little bit more tacky. So to speed that process up, I'm just gonna use my blow dry. So now I'm just going to lay the wig onto the glue, starting with the middle, and use a comb to press that in. Pretty good. Pretty good. Just to ensure that's all melted in, I'm gonna use my blow dryer once again. I'm gonna use my scissors to cut the lace. Purchase your tracks today. So the wig is on, and of course I'm going to zhuzh it up, add some baby hairs, put some powder on the lace, and when all is said and done, I'll be right back and I'll let you know my thoughts on the wig so far, like my first impressions. So this is what the final result looks like. I think it looks stunning. For a minute there it was touch and go. I wasn't sure how it was gonna go, but I'm so glad it turned out great. It looks beautiful. This, you guys know I love me some curly hair, and this is perfect for the summer. Like, look how good this looks. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Like, and one thing I really love about it is the fact that it is 20 inches, but it's like mad long. Like, how many times do you ever get 20 inches, especially in curly hair, and it comes up to like here, and it's like, oh wait. But like, look how, what? This is not 20 inches, this is 24 inches. Like, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I really love the curl pattern. I love the way it has that like frazzled look, because a lot of times when you get deep wave, it kind of has like a uniform look, but this one kind of just looks like bedhead, beautiful Bahamas, like, you know what I mean? I love it, I love it. You can tell I'm doing a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna try and take it down a notch. Go back onto chill out. I'm so cringe. Oh, but anyway, that is it for today's video. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask me in the comments. I love to discuss with you guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll love to see you in the next one.